Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you through what we eat for breakfast, snack and lunch during isolation. So we start with oats and quinoa, which are great because they're packed full of fibre and protein. And I top this with blueberries, which are packed full of antioxidants and so great for skin health. Around mid-morning, I always have some nuts and fruit. I love cashew nuts so much. They contain key minerals which are essential for bone health. And I always have this with my decaf coffee. Caffeine can actually prevent the body from absorbing nutrients. I've absolutely loved having lunch with Callum throughout isolation. It's given us a chance to slow down and sit and have a chat. And we made our favourite teriyaki tofu today. I'll put the recipe in the description below. So we mainly always have quinoa, lots of veggies, so many antioxidants, and I just steam them and shred some carrot, which is so yummy with Asian dishes. And then finally we topped it with some spicy roasted chickpeas, which are absolutely delicious and also packed full of protein. So I'll pop the details in the description below for everything that we made today. I hope you enjoyed the video.